Okay, di po kailangan laliman or katakutan. Pero I see new beginnings. May ilang changes when it comes to your relationship, partnership, no matter what your relationship status. Page of Cups, Six of Cups. Dalawa lang to, the Death card. Six of Cups, pwede itong may kaugnayan po sa nakaraan about your past. Again, napakalawak nito. Just only take what resonate, Aries. Kahit pa pare-pareho kayo ng sign, napakalawak ng astrolohiya. Just only take what resonate. Okay? Magkakaiba pa rin po ang bawat isa. Speaking of magkakaiba, merong ilang changes talaga. Or differences kayong pwedeng maramdaman right now. Pwede ngayon pa lang nagre-reflect na ito. Or in the coming weeks or even months, merong ilang changes para sa mas. Saan?